the vlog. We are at
Carter's Mountain.
yeah, what she said. Yeah. So we're gonna take pictures right here, right?
Okay, you want to now?
A woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. We keep receiving blessings. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl. Lifestyle flaws by her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world.
Hey guys, Jody's here. Finally.
Could have been matching.
Where have you been? You know what things I was doing when you said, "Oh, I'm gonna get ready," and then I did everything, throw everything. I was packing, you know. Yes. Oh, we're
so
black.
We are. My hair is not cooperating.
I wonder who hurt you. I wonder who made you so mad.
This is the woods. Welcome to the woods.
Tell me where
Guys, if you don't hear from me again, just know that Jody take me up to the mountain in the woods of never coming back. Yeah, so you hear it from me first. Matter of fact, if you see the video, then that means I'm alive.
Yeah, you guys gonna be able to post this. So she has no video posted. She's dead.
But just know, this is the before feeling. You see how she looks sweet? Yeah, those are the people that try to kill you. They're crazy.
Facts. I am
Yeah, she's Coco.
Coco. I'm Coco.
She's the Lulu.
Just a little bit. Keeps the life interesting.
Just a whole lot. Anyway, we don't. Alright, so our bougie self, we're not walking the mountain, we're driving.
No, because I was about to force you to like go walk with my dog and me on these trails, and then I was like,
No.
I don't think. I said this is just gonna be a girl's day. I said,
Did you see my shoes?
I was like, yeah, he'll be fine. I was like, it was
That's
weird
not good,
later
though.
tonight.
We're gonna go dinner after this? See? Yeah.
Oh, then we're taking my dog. We'll go to downtown. Everybody's leaving. That's a good thing.
And everyone drive, so that shows that nobody walks it.
Yeah, you can't. You have to get to the actual place before you can walk anything. I wanted to go to a place to pick like strawberries and stuff. So we can pick apples.
Ooh, look at this.
She came around smooth too. Oh, you're talking about the place or the car?
No, the car.
Oh.
That too.
I was like, did I look over smart, right? I was like, oh yeah, that is pretty. She's talking about a nice car.
I have pretty car eyes, you know. Okay, so I should take my camera out.
Oh my god. Fucking wet.
I'm the only one that has camera. I don't see anyone else with camera. I'm gonna look so awkward.
Do you ever
But
feel
guess what?
uncomfortable, like,
I'll be leaving in 1 week, so I don't care. They'll be like,
people will
that
never
girl.
see you
Yeah, they're not gonna see me again unless I
most
come back
people
next
don't
year.
ever see you again.
Yeah.
Oh my god, can we...
And then imagine we see Nino and all those people like.
I hate how they say I'm on my last straw. Cut the straw in half while you're out there. Actually, just take the whole straw away.
There's a spot right
No,
here.
I think it is. I think.
But you can't park.
I think it is because.
There's a spot up there too.
Okay, this one seems a little bit easier.
And then there's one right here.
Can I
Yeah,
take
already
two
here, so.
parking spots?
No, you have to reverse and then fix it. Maybe I should use a little camera instead of this phone. It's intimidating sometimes, you know?
Yeah.
It smells good. Oh my. Apple cider donut. So will you walk go up there first? Oh, he has a camera. I can go back for my camera. Should I? Where we go? We're going to go up there?
Yeah, we have to get a bag to Apple Pick and then we're gonna go Apple Pick.
Do you want me to bring my camera?
Huh?
You want me to bring my camera?
You don't have to. Do you want to?
It's a professional camera. I take professional pictures. And then you look professionally done.
Oh yeah.
It's good. Like I feel more confident now. I see someone taking pictures.
Yeah. It's really pretty today though. I sent a video to my mom.
So at first we weren't gonna bring my camera, my Canon camera, but then now I saw someone, so now I get the
Motivation, confidence.
the confidence, yes. So we're going back. Luckily we didn't go too far, and then we didn't park far.
Yeah, no.
So that's
Knowing
good.
me, I would have parked a mile away.
Yeah, like yesterday. So we're just gonna have a good time today,
Yeah, party on.
and then we're gonna pick some apples, even though we're not gonna eat them.
Oh yeah. I know. I might actually eat them because I
Just
think
one.
No, I'm gonna.
Oh, that is nice. The car is nice. Anyway, let me show you the view. Jody.
Welcome to my apple orchard. I own this too.
Yeah, she's rich. She's bloody rich. Rich and still working at Boris Head, begging for her job. And then threatening to fire you. You're on your last straw. Like, oh, I don't care, I'm rich.
Literally. No, I think it's because I said I wanted to put my 2 weeks in. She got upset because I said that.
I told you not to. Never tell the enemy what your next move is.
Oh, it wasn't my next move.
It was your next move because you thought you were going to be
Yeah.
fired. Yeah, so don't do that again, okay? These two holding hands. So we can do that too in the future. We would do that. Okay, we would do that.
Here,
we would do that.
manifest.
We're not jealous. Do you want to take one there?
We can do it later.
When the sun is down?
Down.
It's actually a nice view. Yeah.
Hello. Get one small one.
It's gonna be $16.15.
Do you even remember what she said just now?
No, not really.
She said something about that.
Oh, you're lost.
Well, guess what? We'll be recording, so if we're lost, we can just watch it and then. Yeah. We have to play it in reverse though.
Oh, yeah. No parking.
It's kind of getting a little bit chilly.
Yeah.
And look at me, no bra, no nothing. I'm gonna die. But it's fine. It is. Oh yeah, we said that we were going to do this.
Do what?
Dun, dun, dun,
In
dun,
the club with my twin, we be
like for
vibing.
TikTok, not for YouTube though.
No sound.
Guys, she's sad that I'm leaving her. That's why she ran and brought me out today. Cause she's low-key disappointed of herself that she just getting the time to take, you know, long she was like, oh, let's go to Cardiff Marathon, let's go do something fun. And then every week, oh, I have to take my dog out, oh, I have to wash my car, oh, I need to pay my insurance, oh, my door needs to be fixed, oh. Am I lying or am I lying?
She's so right.
Okay.
Every little
Every week there's something else. Every week.
busy woman, okay?
Okay.
Very busy.
Okay. She said left. Where is left?
The view was to die for. This one.
You look like an Instagram model.
Do I?
Yeah. Maybe I should use your phone and take the video for you.
What are we doing?
Walking. That's what we're doing.
I think we go that way.
Oh, that's the only way we can go.
Such an exit though.
Oh, that way. Maybe. Why would we want to exit?
Apples.
If you see someone coming from somewhere with bags, then maybe that's the way, because they have bags in their hands.
Had me in your possession. Had you swimming inside my affection. But with you, I came second. So I cut off the connection. And now you're calling me. Holding your heart there inside your hands. You say I'm where you want.
I used to use this and vlog, but it was so heavy.
No, you don't get to come back.
See, I came prepared for the jungle. I came prepared. Type the name. Hey Jody's Creamy said, hey Jody.
Creamer.
You have a fan, you know. Once you're on my YouTube. Guys, we are done picking apples. Show the back. And Jody had about 6. This is their 7th apple. We're tired. We're beat out.
We got like 2-3 hills to walk up.
Yeah. They keep throwing apples at us. Alright? So, yeah. So we're going, where are we going? We're going to eat. But you're going home first, you said. So what did you say?
We'll see if they have what food they have here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna check that out. And yeah, we're walking back up. We pick some apple. So the trick about going apple picking, go to the first part of the journey. If you go up there, you're not gonna find any apples. If you go down here, you can find apples at hand reach. Alright, if you go up there, all of them picked. Yeah, so we're going to see if we can get some donuts and some other stuff, but I actually want good food. This girl.
Me?
But to think that you wanted to walk the mountain and not drive, and you took 2 steps, and you're dying.
Oh god. Oh, we still got more. It was like we just kept going down.
And it was fun.
Bye.
It was fine because we were going down, so it was easier. But now we have to climb the mountain and go up to the promised land of no apples, because there's no apples up there. Jody's dying.
And I'm carrying this heavy ass bag of apples. I don't know how the people will have this.
Come on, girl. You can do it. Come on, girl. You can do it. Oh, I'm tired.
Oh, no, keep going. You got it, girl.
Come on, girl. You can do it. Let's go. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go, 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 go. We're almost there. We're almost
Oh no!
We're almost there. Look at it. Look at the bananas. I thought you were working out.
Not for this. Oh, it's so pretty up here.
She said you wanted to come and get donut. I know she's changing her mind, but I don't really feel for donut. But the thing is, what's the point of coming to Carlos?
And I know
I'm not
I'm
even
gonna
one.
get
They don't sell one.
Huh?
They don't sell one. We can share one.
One?
Like one single one.
Let's just get a half of it.
I don't need so much.
I'll take one. And then I'll just get whatever I want.
But they have apple pie. A slice of apple pie.
Go to these numbers.
It doesn't look like it. So we're gonna buy half a dozen donuts and a slice of apple pie. Oh, we picked our own apple and then now we're eating our own apple. It is good. I like. Did you just say the same thing I said?
Why it's so peaceful?
Oh no. Look at you, Fat Josie eating 2 donuts.
I literally thought the same thing. I was like, I want another one.
It's so sugary that it's not supposed to, like, good.
No, taste it. Just taste it. It's so good. It's so worth it.
So this is worth me put it on 100 pounds after this. It's worth it? It's worth it. So alright, let's. Ooh, look at the light. Ooh. It's good, but it's too much sugar.
Shake the sugar off, girl.
I wouldn't eat another one.
So,
I have drinks in my car and water in my car, but we can't walk with it inside. It's too sweet for me. It's too sweet for mine. Like, this is buried in sugar. Like, it's too sweet for me. Like, I would peel this off.
the sugar.
Yeah. And then inside there's nothing.
So you should have ate it like right when it was warm.
It is warm.
But like warm.
The thing is, it's just too much sugar. It's like my mind telling me not to eat it. Like, this is, you know, like.
Alright, then don't eat it.
I am not. I'm taking this. You know when you're taking drugs and your mind telling you not to take the drugs, but you're taking it because you're forced to take it. This is that. Yeah, this is it. This is me forced to be eating this because you bought it for me.
It's really good.
I'm peeling it. It's like
but
onion.
also my sugar's low, so I needed it.
Like,
That hill. Oh my god. You like that part?
I like the apple, the pie instead.
I'm not a pie person though. I like cheese.
I'm not a sugar person. That's like 100 grams of sugar in one body.
It was definitely more.
That's too much sugar.
It was a lot of sugar.
And we don't even have water.
Water, I know, it made me very parched. I was thinking about getting the apple cider drink too.
A lot. So if you... Oh. So how many places have you been?
Show them your arm still.
Oh, this. Sorry. Turn it around. It's on.
Oh, you want Why are you taking now?
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in, then get us every day. This sound like Argentina. Had to fix my demeanor. No, they don't want me breathing. Still I rose like diamonds. Got on 3 Jesus pieces, looking like Jay-Z and Yeezy. So far from conceited, but how can I be defeated? I hate to turn my wrist on like I'm Ben 10. Rappers think they doing something, I'm not a fan. I told my dad today, he said it's all pretend. I got back in my bed, now I got no friends.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. No cap, I'm real. Plastic bars when I copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. No cap, I'm real. Plastic bars when I copy my steel.
need a pee.
Wow. The first, I'm gonna walk on this side because I don't want no dog to bite me. So guys, we're now going to go to the Rapture. 8-minute walks. Why couldn't you park closer?
Oh my goodness.
You just walked the mountain and then now you want to walk for food. By the time you come back, the food is gone out your belly.
With that's the point. Your body takes in what you're supposed to take in. Oh, it's so cold. I don't know how you're not cold at all.
Because I'm fat. My fat keep me warm. So we're going to the Rapture restaurant. I don't know what the setting is, but this is how I'm going. I don't care. They're not gonna see me for the next couple of years, so yeah, I don't care. But they're doing some construction on the road. It's like, there you go. It's like an overhead thing. That's the main road, right? And then you have, I don't know what that's for, but it's like, you know, halfway through the center, yeah, something like that. But yeah, so let's go to the restaurant. So this is a whole full day vlog, and I didn't even start off the vlog. We need to start off the vlog. Like, I wanted to start off the vlog on top of the mountain, and then I forgot to start off the vlog. I'm gonna start it off tomorrow now. But like, guys, oh, today we're going, and that was yesterday.
Liar. See what she does? She all lie.
But I'm gonna start it off tomorrow. Just pretend you didn't see that part. Okay?
Okay.
So we are walking. We've been walking for 6 hours. 6 hours. That car can barely make it. Like, why didn't you just drive and park up? Like, look how much parking spot up there. Like, why? And then the place looks so ghetto. It does.
Downtown.
Looks so.
Downtown.
Like,
Downtown.
like I feel like someone's just gonna grab me.
No, they last.
Exactly. 6-pack.
I used to wear credit.
Mountain Park, here it is. But it's closed. Luckily we didn't choose to go there.
I'm glad you weren't like, oh my god, I want to eat
Wait, what? Oh, no. Does our ass look fat, guys? No. Nope.
Been waiting too long to find in the one. I would do everything you asked in my love. Look in my eyes, I know we need time. I know I'm
Thank you. Too. I want to go around to the back where the man is. Yeah, I want to see though. Can I not see? I'm kind of worried now. People doesn't look like oh.
Just right there. I'll be right back with some water.
Guys, if I die, just know, yeah. I'm kind of worried. I'm kind of worried. Not lying, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna eat too much because I'm gonna smell old. I'm good.
Would you like some waters to start?
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm just gonna wait on Jordan and pick something. This restaurant is called Rapture. It's kind of outdated. It's kind of old. You have the server. Weird. But it smells funky. It smells really funky. So I don't know. I'm gonna give it a try. So the thing is, salads. I don't want no salad because I don't like. Sometimes people don't clean the salad properly, so I don't like that. And the main dish, I don't want shrimp grits. I don't like grits. Steak, I don't want any steak. Crab cake, I don't want that. Gumbo of shrimp.
Oh my god, people keep texting me.
They keep texting you. What did they say? Let me see.
I've had 3 people.
You're the. My name is. Well, at least you have options now. That's good.
Can I get a straw?
Any questions about the menu?
No, okay. Fried chicken sandwich, marinated tofu. I don't like tofu. I don't think I Philly and cheese. Philly steak and cheese. That's what I think.
I think I might do this Southwest steak salad. Or the The last time I had the Topanga Tampa Cuban, that was really good.
Hey, what are we getting you to dine?
Do you want it?
I heard a Philly.
Yeah, that's what I want. With fries.
Some fries.
And then I went to go the Southwest steak salad.
Good. Is any ranch required?
Thank you.
My feet hurt so bad. That sausage.
Yeah, that's for parking so far. She's happy, she's eating. She's choking. I don't like the fries. I love fries, but which is a
There's nothing in them.
she's liking her food.
That could be good stuff.
Mine is not so. The salad is okay, but the fries, disappointed. Like, how can you go wrong with fries? Well, they went so wrong with this fries. I don't even had one. I just tasted it. I don't like it. But it's not bad.
Tell me why today some girl gave me $2.50
For what?
for an extra tip. I was like, girl, we keep that 50 cents, please.
I just want to get rid of all these silvers. Oh man, I need to give him too much. He was like, this girl is rich. wait. We tip $43, right? So I was planning to give him the 50 plus extra, right? You know what I'm saying?
This is your tripod?
So it's the DJI thing.
So what?
The DJI thing.
A what?
DJI gimbal thing.
Work it.
Turn it on, take it out and turn it on. Jody not wearing her size. Jody don't wear her size. Apart from the shoes being dirty now.
I know.
It's burning her foot.
I hope my shoes when they get them out.
Like, do you see my shoes? I don't even take that out. That was so. When you bought that recently, right?
What?
Because it was brand new.
What?
When I saw.
No. I've worn these like so many times.